this is the new city, what they've developed for the people that have lost their houses in the
dam.
Because of the dam. So they've given them plots to live on, nice big plots as well. Yeah, nice houses. Must be a housing association thing, but they're nice buildings. They're beautiful houses here. Okay, we've just passed up. We're talking and didn't put the camera on. We're coming close to Dadyaal now. This is crossing the bridge. What's this? I haven't been here for about 40 plus years. So it's different now. I don't even know where I am here.
Too much traffic.
Too much traffic. मेन बाजार ही है ना जी जी हाँ This is leading you towards the main bazaar. इधर होने नहीं इसको सजे आता पर जी हाँ सारा चेंज हो गया उधर मेरा है ना होने उस रोड है Center of Dadyaal here.
Sydney.
Sydney. Sydney for about 2 years. 1 year.
Oh, this is a 1 year.
Traffic jam. The policeman directed us this way because the road to SIAKH is closed for some reason. He said go up here and then take a left. Did he say first left or second left? I think follow these, isn't it? This one.
SIAKH Ghar.
Oh yeah. We go left. Let's go left. Big sunglasses, love. Massive. All you can see is sunglasses. She'll not be from UK, will she? No. Busy traffic round here. Oh, great jump. Jaman Chowk. Khatmabad?
No, Khatmabad ka hai.
Ho gaya.
Ji, Pindi jani hai. SIAKH jani.
Right.
Pindi jani hai.
Left for SIAKH. Okay guys, we stopped at Dadyaal for some chapli kebabs. I want to show you these chapli kebabs. Nice and thick. There's brought us some naan breads and this poor looking chutney. I don't know what it's going to be like, but don't know whether to risk that one, but here is the chapli kebab. There you go, look how thick that is. You can see everything in there. I want to give that a try in a minute. So, there you go. It's almost as good as the one we had yesterday. I'll try it with a naan and a bit of this. A bit of this chut. Don't like naans. What do you think, Ray? You think it's better than the one we had yesterday?
It's tasty. It's a proper. You can eat. I would come again in here. Ramadan there. Yeah, I would. The yesterday what we had, that was very nice. That's my regular. That's in Mirpur, but this is in Dadyaal. Yeah. It's very tasty.
Yes guys, it's as good as what we had yesterday, but I thought that one was better, but there's no wrong with this one either. So just let me finish this off and we'll move on. Well guys, that was an amazing experience with them chapli kebabs. As you can see, we've finished them, polished a lot off, but the chaps that was sat to one side by Tawfiq Saab from Alam Rock, Birmingham, he got up and he paid for everything. Thank you very much, appreciate that, and maybe someday I can repay that to debt. Really enjoyed the kebabs. Thank you Tawfiq Saab. Inshallah I'll keep in touch with you on the phone. So now we're going to move on towards SIAKH. मोहम्मद फैसल, ये तुम्हारा इलाका है यार। Now, this is the place where the villages are underneath here, the Mangla Dam. We've come from right that other side, haven't we? Yeah, right that other side. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see, but. Oh, right over that direction. So guys, Hameed tells me that this is SIAKH basically. We're coming into SIAKH now, and all this area used to be people living down here until this dam came along. There's whole villages buried underneath here. Tons of fish in this dam. What a place this is. Beautiful. Spot on. Right, here we are. Two kilometers to Siakh. Right. Mr. Teacup, this one's for you. Come on, Nanny Goat. Right up in the, going up in the into the village now. So we've come to the end of this alleyway. It's led us to this point. So we're gonna have to reverse all the way back here. So I just thought, before we go, I'll just make a quick video here too. I've been trying to search for the highest point of this place so we can take a shot from high up, but we keep going to dead ends. They're all little lanes. As you can see, it's a small village with little country lanes. Very quiet. Nobody about. Nobody to really ask.
उधर इंग्लैंड ही होना है
इंग्लैंड होने में
ना ये तू जरा नहीं बड़ा है किसी बड़ा है ताल बैर आनी
हां ताल तो इंग्लैंड है ना
फौज ना पोस्टल है और सीधे रह जाओगे इनका 4-10-12 में बड़ा पंडोड़ी से
वो जो पार पब्बी है
ओ पार्क पनियामा जी
पनियामा
हां पनियामा
ये मिरपुर इस पास है
मिरपुर सारा छोड़ से दस ये गिरी ये जनाब मन मोड़ा अगरू है यस हैं जी ये सारा स्याख गिना जाना
जी The guy is saying this is all Siakh, all of it. This is the highest point. We were getting lost, so he's come and showed us around. And he's showing us basically. That's Porta.
Sign ban.
Sign banna naal, hai ji. हाँ जी तो अगे वो जरा ना 10 पोठे ना आया जरा मनार जा नजर चना अगे जनाब मन छतरो इस पास यार नाल हाँ
छतरो बटनी
छतरो is that way
की चाड़ी तो सारा इलाका से गुजार कराई ना लाला सो आयो
शनाख्त नहीं है मगर ये जिंदगी च नहीं भूलने लगी
था ए जरा ओ जे ढेरी नहीं ओ पार इसने नाल ही दरबार है जिंदा पीर उसियाने बाबा जिंदा पीर
जेड़े डैम विच कड्डे सने
ना ओ जिंदा ओ जेड़े कड्डे सने ना ओ था ग्रां विच है इस ग्रां विच है दरबार वो भोले शानी दरबार है जा शाख मेला होना आ हुन समझे नहीं आ दा पानिया कोल
क्योंकि वो बुजुर्गों नाल मेरी मुलाकात हुई बर्मिंघम और उन्हें ख्वाब आई या पीर आखने
दरबार नालू थला
where you can see that booster thing, the aerial thing. Behind there's a more darbar, and after that in the water that was Bell down there, right down there. So it's underwater at the moment.
मंदिर एक नजर आना सुखी जा पानी तो वो ये नहीं है
ओ नहीं मिरपुर हो जनाब मिरपुर से मैं थोड़ा दसा
पुराने मिरपुर ना
अगा थोड़ा दसा हुन धुंध पेई ना तो
वो लंचो है जो कोनी जानिया
It's a bit misty at the moment, you can't see far away.
वो जड़ी डडियाल है ना उठो लाइन टुरनी सी मुड़ी से थनपाल लगनी सी
Dadyaal is in that direction.
पानी दो इथा अगा ये कसी जानी है इथो लाइन बालनी सी मुड़ी जनाब पोठियां लाइन बालनी सी मुड़ी इथो शाखू बालनी सी मुड़ी इथो बालनी सी मुड़ी लाइन टरनो तो पन्यावा बाल मेरे पर जानी सी लाइन असल लांचे रखे
तो पहले like now we are at SIAKH, the place where my great granddad lived, and they are in the water now. That's where the graveyards is, and the original village is in the water, and this is surrounding all the SIAKH after when they built the Mangla Dam, which is in early 60s. And from there, people have been demolished and moved everywhere, all over the world and Kashmir. But the original SIAKH is there. Where I was belong, my grandparents, and I live UK now. And I'm really proud to see this place again. I hope I will come again, and when my children comes, I will bring them down here. There is no evidence of the graves or anything or the old SIAKH, but still we can see it surrounding, and the villages and some surrounding villages people, they have informed us that's where they are, that's where the Mandir was and the SIAKH was, and where they used to get lunch, which is like a boat. And olden days, that's how they used to travel around, going to Mirpur or anywhere else. Thank you. Still very happy for it, to see it. Thank you.
News.
And this is by Tariq, who introduced us to this area and took us up to the top of the hills. We were just driving about and driving around and around in circles. We asked almost a dozen people, and most of them, they kept telling us the wrong way, or we were getting lost. But then we asked this chap, came out by Tariq, took us left, right, and he took us right to that top. And that's how we got up there. And then he explained, this is this area, this is this area, this is this area. So thank you very much. Bahut bahut shukriya, Janab. Thank you. Right, we're heading for Kandor now. I'm going to show you around Kandor and then make his way back slowly. So, Coach, this is your dad's Ghar. Kandor coming up. Yeah, we're heading towards the little bazaar in Kandor. I've been just asked a motorcyclist, and he said it's Kandor village on either side, that to the right and to the left. There's like little paths leading up. This guy here, Evil Knievel on his motorbike. I've always wanted to see what Kandor's like. We took a wrong turn in there. Just ask an old man up the road, and he says, no, you've missed your turn, go up there. Up this way to the left. Road's very narrow. What's these here? Oh. This is it. Is this the bazaar? Oh, it is. It looks more like a really tiny village than a bazaar. So this is it. That's your bazaar. A few shops here. Maybe a few shops down there. But they're all closed, aren't they? There's nothing here for us. Might have to turn around and come back. I thought it was a little town, but like Dadyaal is, but no, there's no town here. This is all there is, and that's the general store, and it's closed. Just a small village. Well, gentlemen, that's your bazaar there. No, let's have a look down there, but nothing's open anyway. Just a few shops. As I said, it's a small village. Come on, I think we're gonna chip now. No entry है? Well, we're only going down wrong way down a one-way street, and nobody will say anything. Oh right. सारे उधरों जा रहे हैं रास्ता तो हुआ है ना तो सब उधरों जाना चाहिए राह वो Okay guys, the boys have stopped. They fancy some lassi, so I said why not? I'll try anything. So we are in the main bazaar, halfway down, waiting for the lassi. Lassi is a yogurt based drink basically. You can have it slightly salted, or you can have it with sugar, or you can have it with honey if you want, whatever you like. It's like a yogurt based milkshake. I'll show you when it comes. Alright, it's arrived. So let's give it a test, shall we? Cheers. Oh, nice. As you can see, it's just a bit, it's a yogurt based milkshake, that's all it is. What do you think to it? Have you tasted it yet? Any good? Alright. Right guys, them 3 lassis cost 300 rupees, which is equivalent to 75p, so 25p each, and it tasted quite alright, not too bad at all. This is the old Kandor that I know of. This, I believe, was the old flour mill, artillery machine. Now a house. The old village of Islamgarh, formerly Kandor. All these guys, all these houses belong to people in Birmingham, I believe.